Hello, my name is swissbianco. In this video I will talk about the gold Alux midshipman as it is here in my hand. There was already a video about all the three colors, so I'm just showing this gold Alux for the camera that you see how it looks and the details. It has a red shield. The backside features the big cutout for the sacking needle. It's a 3-layer Swiss Army knife. Handle length is 93mm, like the Soldier and Farmer. Middle back spring is the thinner one for the saw blade. That much about the gold Alux version of the midshipman.